Hello all of you. Today I will tell you how to identify slides under the microscope. So there are some slides that we can easily identify under the microscope, and these slides are of artery, vein, ureter, fallopian tube, ductus deferens, appendix, testis, epididymis, umbilical cord. So how we can identify and differentiate these slides from each other. When we see the slide of the artery under the microscope, we can see the lumen in the artery, but this lumen is not in a complete circular manner. The border of this lumen is in zigzag pattern. This is the tunica intima, and it is like this pattern. So this lumen is not like a complete circle. So this is the way to identify the artery, and the next slide is of vein, in which we can see a lumen, but the wall of the wall of the veins are collapsed, and inside the lumen we can find the clot also sometimes. So we can differentiate the vein from the artery. In the next slide, where we can find the lumen, and this lumen is of star shape. So the star shaped lumen we can find in the ureter. So we can easily differentiate the ureter from the artery and vein because the lumen is of star shape. In the fallopian tube, the lumen is very small because this is occupied by the mucosal folds present in the fallopian tube. So in this fallopian tube, as it is a tubular structure, so when we take the section of the fallopian tube, we can find a lumen inside the fallopian tube under the microscope, but it is very small because the lumen is occupied by the mucosal fold. The next tubular structure is ductus deferens. When we take the section of the ductus deferens, we can find small irregular lumen. But how we can differentiate this luminal structure from the artery and vein? In the vas deferens, there is a thick muscle layer is surrounding to this lumen. So we can easily identify the vas deferens because a thick muscular coat is present in the vas deferens. There is a longitudinal layer of the muscle. It is circular layer of the muscle. It is again longitudinal layer of the muscle. So there is a thick muscular coat is present in the vas deferens. In the appendix, we can find a clear lumen because it is also a tubular structure. But in the appendix, the lumen is surrounded by these dotted areas, and these dotted areas are lymphatic nodules. These we can only find in the appendix in the case of luminal structures. So here we can find lumen with the lymphatic nodules, lumen with the muscle layer, lumen with the branching pattern of the mucosa, star-shaped lumen, collapsed lumen with clot, and the zigzag pattern of the tunica intima with lumen. So we can identify these slides easily. And some of the slides are here where we can find more than one luminal structures, because when we take the skirt section of so many tubules, testis is made up of seminiferous tubules and the epididymis is a tubular structure. So when we take the section of the tubular structures like testis and epididymis, we can find there are so many luminal structures. यहाँ पे एक ट्यूब का सेक्शन लिया था, यहाँ पे काफी सारी ट्यूब्स का सेक्शन लिया, तो यहाँ पे काफी सारे सर्कल्स दिखेंगे. बट हाउ वी कैन डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द टेस्टिस एंड एपिडिdymis? यहाँ पे मैंने 2 ही सर्कल ड्रॉ किए हैं, बट एक्चुअली देर आर सो मेनी सर्कल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द एपिडिdymis एंड सो मेनी ओवल शेप्ड structures are present in the testis. Here the tubules are of oval shaped, and here the tubules are of complete circular manner in the epididymis. Now how we can differentiate these two slides? When we see the slide of the testis, inside one tubular structure which is of oval in the shape, there are so many layers of the nucleus, and inside there is clumps of the sperm. But inside the epididymis, the nucleus are of oval. It is a complete circle, and the nucleus are of oval and elongated because of the difference of the epithelium present in the testis and epididymis. And this shaded area is for spirocelia, and in the lumen we can find the sperm. Here we can find the sperm, here we can find the sperm, as these both are of the part of male reproductive system. Testis, formation of the spermatogonia and sperms takes place in the testis, and the maturation of the sperms takes place in the epididymis. In the case of the umbilical cord, we can find 2 arteries and 1 vein in this slide. And when we look the slide from the outer aspect, so this slide looks like this, and there are 2 arteries and 1 vein, and the structure of the artery and vein is same as the another arteries and veins present in the body. So if we find 3 luminal structures in any slide, it means the slide is of umbilical cord. This is part 1. to identify some of the slides under the microscope. In part 2, I will tell you how to identify some another slides under the microscope like tongue and the slides of the GIT. Thank you.